Welcome again, Wildcats. So today is Friday, October 20th, linear programming, and that's going to be on page 23. So if you would, update your table of contents. All right, now your table of contents are updated. Let's take a look at our notes. All right, linear programming on page 23. Linear programming steps. Step 1, define the variables. Step 2, write the constraints. Step 3, sketch the feasible region. Step 4, identify the vertices. Now, you may have to solve a system to identify some of the vertices, okay? And in fact, on example 1, we're going to have to do that. Step 5, write the objective. Step 6, use the vertices and the objective to find the maximum or minimum value. Step 7, state the conclusion in sentence form. All right, so if you would, let's look at our examples. Now, I'm actually think that it's important that we do this assignment or these examples in class. It's a very, very difficult concept, and you're gonna have a lot of questions. And whenever I think there's gonna be a lot of questions on examples, I don't think it's good to go over the example in the video. Okay. And what I mean by that is, here's what the work for example number 1 is. Now, please do not write this down. Okay. Please do not write this down. But I just kind of want to outline what we're gonna do tomorrow. So step 1, we've defined the variable. Okay. Step 2, we wrote the constraints. Okay. Step 3, sketch the feasible region. But to do that, we need to write the inequalities from the paragraph. Okay. Step 4, identify the vertices. And here, these vertices are easy to identify, but this one's not. So you actually have to take these two inequalities and solve for the vertices. Okay. Then you write the objective. Okay. And then you use the vertices and the objective to find the maximum and minimum values, and then you state your conclusion. Okay, that I feel better about walking you through. So I just wanted to show you to see what it's going to look like in class. But again, do not write this down. I just want you to see what the process looks like, and that I want you to see why I think it's important that we go over this in class, because there's a lot of information here. Okay, and then on example 2. Again, please do not write this down. I just want you to see what we're going to go over on Friday, okay, in class. Step 1, we define the variables. Step 2, we write the constraints. But before you do that, you have to write the inequality, okay. Step 3, we sketch the feasible region. Okay, we did that using our inequalities, okay. And then here, the vertices are actually very straightforward, so you don't have to actually solve a system to find the vertices. Step 5, you write the objective. And then step 6, you use the vertices to find, in this case, the minimum. And then 7, you state the conclusion. Okay. So again, I'm going to work through and explain this step by step in class tomorrow. Okay. But I just want you to see what and how the process looks like. Okay. So with that, I'll see you tomorrow I'll see you in class on Friday, October 20th, and we'll go over example 1 and 2 in class. Okay. So with that, have a wonderful Wildcat